students, I am your English teacher Shabana, and today's topic is question and statements. Yes students, I have told you about questions about interrogative sentences. I have taught you about the types of sentences. I told you na, yes, assertive sentences, that is indefinite sentences also, we call it indefinite sentences also, and exclamatory sentences interrogative sentences, negative sentences. There are 4 type of sentences. So here we are talking about 2 type of sentences, that is statements are indefinite. Statements are in indefinite sentences. Statements and assertive and indefinite sentences are similar thing. So students, statements, yes, when we write a statement, then it will be start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And whenever we write a question, it will be start with a question word, or sometimes we can start a question with a helping verb like is, am, are, has, have. Okay, so this is the topic of today's. So we will do Let's Try 4. In Let's Try 4, we have to learn how to recognize statement and questions. Okay students, let's start. Let's try 4. First of all, we will read the first sentence. Tina is sitting on a swing. Tina is sitting on a swing. Yes students, I have told you a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It is a assertive sentence. It is a telling sentence. Why? Because it is telling something about, है ना? It is telling something about, and it gives us information about something. So it is a telling sentence. That's why we put full stop at the end of this type of sentence. And now we have to recognize in this sentence, we have to recognize if it is a statement or it is a question. Okay, you all know students that questions always starts with question word and helping verbs. So Tina is sitting on a swing. Here is a subject, and we are talking about subject, that she is sitting on a swing, and this sentence gives us information about Tina. So it is not a question, है ना? Because a question always start with a question word or helping verb. So it is a statement. So that's why we will write statement in front of it. Statement. Clear to all students? Now we will read the next one. Is Rahul going to the park? Is Rahul going to the park? Yes student, I have told you about it. Yes, sometimes we start a question with a helping verb, or sometimes we start with a question with a question word. But here is a helping verb. Is a helping verb now? It is a helping verb. That's why we will write question in front of it. Why? And we can recognize it with the punctuation mark, है ना? We can recognize it from the punctuation mark, because a question always ends with a question mark, and here is a question mark, so it is a question. So we will write question in front of it. Clear to all students? Now we will read the next one. My mother is cooking dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. So students, this sentence is telling something about mother, है ना? What? That my mother is cooking dinner. मेरी माँ cooking क्या कर रही है? डिनर बना रही हैं. मेरी माँ डिनर बना रही हैं, मीन्स रात का खाना बना रही हैं. That's why it gives us information. That's why it is a statement, and we will write a statement in front of it. Why? Because this statement is This statement ends with a full stop and start with a capital letter, and it gives us information about mother. That what is she doing? That's why we write statement in front of it. Clear to all? Now we will read the next one. Is. Remember always, if the sentence starts with a helping verb, that means it is a question. Is my brother in your house? Is a helping verb, है ना? It is a helping verb. That's why it is a question, and here is a question mark also. That's why we will write question. The next one is, we are going to watch a movie. We are going to watch a movie. This sentence gives us information. This sentence is telling something about, है ना? About a movie. We are going to watch a movie. We are going to watch a movie. हम movie देखने जा रहे हैं. We are going to watch a movie. So this sentence gives us information about something. So it is a statement. That's why we will write statement in front of it. Okay, students, now next one. Are we going to movie? Yes, students, here is a helping verb again. What is it? Are. Are is a helping verb, and this sentence ends with a question mark. That's why it is also a question. And we call it interrogative sentences, है ना? We call these type of sentences interrogative sentences. Now we will read the next one. Who scored the goal? Who scored the goal? In this sentence, we have a question word. What is a question word? Yes, who is a question word. That's why it is a question, and this sentence ends with a question mark. And a question always asks something, है ना? A question always asks something, and this sentence asks something about scored goal, है ना? That's why it is a question, and it ends with a question mark. That's why we will write question. The next one is, this is a nice dress. This is a nice dress. Yes, students, it is an assertive sentence. It is a telling sentence. That's why it is a statement. The next one, is that a new pair of shoes? Is that a new pair of shoes? क्या ये जूतों का नया जोड़ा है? Is that a new pair of shoes? Yes, students. Yes. It starts with a helping verb. That's why we will write a question. Why we will write question in front of it? Why? Because it asking something. It asking about pair of shoes. It is asking something about shoes, है ना? That's why we will write question. And you all know about the question. That question always ask something, है ना? Next one is, are we going to eat ice cream? Are we going to eat ice cream? So students, here is a question mark, and this sentence starts with a helping verb. That's why we will write question. You all know, students, yes, always a question sometimes starts with a helping verb and sometimes start with a question. So here is a helping verb, and it is asking something about. That's why it is a question. Clear to all, students? This is your let's try 4. okay, of chapter 4, how clever. So you have to do let's try 4 in your book, and take care yourself, stay home, keep safe.